Hi everyone, welcome back to Win Cuisines. Today I'll be showing you a quick, simple and very easy sweet recipe. I like to call this recipe as fruit and nut white chocolate bars or fruit and nut white chocolate squares. The best part of this sweet is you don't have to measure anything. You can put as much or as little as you like. If you put more or less, it's not going to affect the taste of the recipe. The sweet. It's very simple. To start with, in this bowl I have some white chocolate. To this I'll be adding 1 cup of white chocolate chips. I'll be melting this white chocolate by double boiling method, or you can melt in microwave as well. So I'll show you what is double boiling. Double boiling means here in this pan I have some water boiling. I've added the white chocolates into a heat-proof bowl and we'll place the bowl on top of this pan. The steam that's coming from this water will help to melt our chocolate. Here I'm mixing some white chocolate bars and some white chocolate chips. If you are getting white chocolate bars, you can make with white chocolate bars. If you're getting white chocolate chips, you can make with that. Or if you get something like, white compound or something, you can make with that as well. Now we'll wait for some time so that chocolate is completely melted. As you can see, the chocolate is completely melted. Now we'll add our nuts and dry fruits. In this you can use your favorite dry fruits or nuts or whatever you have on hand. Here I've taken some dried mangoes, cashew nuts, pistachios, dried cranberries, dried apricots, candied green cherries, almonds, some pecans and walnuts and some pumpkin seeds. I'm gonna roughly chop these fruits and nuts. Now let's add our dry fruits and nuts one by one into the white chocolate. Like I said, you can add what you have on hand or what's available in your place. It's not necessary that you have to add all these. And mix everything really well. White chocolate thickens when it cools down, so make sure to do while it's still warm. This is mixed well, and now I'm going to transfer this to another plate and allow this to set. I'm adding some dry fruits on top just for color. Now we'll keep this at room temperature for 3 to 4 hours. You don't have to refrigerate, just room temperature is fine. Okay, so this is set now. I'll cut this and show you. It looks so festive. This is an easy no-bake sweet that you can give your friends or colleagues during this holiday season. So here we have our white chocolate fruit and nut bars. As you see, this is very simple. Even kids can make this. So I hope you will try this. Thank you for spending time with me. I'll be back with another great recipe. Until then, you all take care and God bless.